If you ever find yourself using physical events to format your virtual event, you're not alone. It's the natural thing to do. But that doesn't make it right. Users expect different things and behave differently in person and on screen. People's attention tends to wander off when at home, when there are naturally many more distractions. So you'll probably want to make your content as tight as possible and shorter than you would for a physical event. If you want your content to shine, you should stick to these general guidelines. 1 to 5 minutes for videos on tips and tricks. 10-15-minute videos for overviews and intros, 20 to 25 minutes for short talks and interviews, 30 minutes for deep dive content like demos, and 1 hour for keynotes and important leadership sessions.